Hey guys, welcome to PetroBarrel YouTube channel. Today's video we're gonna talk about directional well applications part 1. This video will include 6 different types of directional well applications. We will use directional drilling operation to drill different well bore as we show in this video inshallah. Firstly, we will talk about site tracking, then move through inaccessible locations. After that, we will talk about salt dome drilling, then multilateral wells, then offshore multi-wells, and finally fault controlling applications. Starting by site tracking. Site tracking is a conventional application. We will use it due to unexpected changes in geology or fish. For example, if we imagine that this part of drill string will be stuck and we cannot pull it out of hole, but unfortunately you didn't freeze the drill string. So we will use a jet cutter to cut at this point of the drill string and pull out of hole, then connect a new drilling bit, then running in hole and make a side track to reach to our reservoir. So the question now, what should you do if the pipe is stuck? Simply we will use jet cutter by cut the drill string through this part, for example, then pull out of hole, then connect a new drilling bit, then running in hole and make a side track to reach to our reservoir. So this jet cutter video describe the equipment of jet cutter and how we use it. The second application of directional drilling is in accessible locations. For example, if you have an oil reservoir below a big city, for example, Cairo, or below a tourist place, for example, Ras Muhammad or Sharm el-Sheikh, or below a very huge buildings like Al-Asima Al-Idaraya. So it is impossible to put an oil rig through or inside this beautiful city, but you can use directional drilling technique by drilling a vertical section. Then we will build an angle to reach to our target or reach to our reservoir. Third application is salt dome drilling. This application prevent to drill through salt dome to prevent a lot of well problems. For example, wash out of the salt or stuck pipe due to movement of salt formation through open hole. Okay, let's move on the fourth part, which is multilateral wells. Simply, multilateral wells have several well bores, okay, running laterally and originating from one original hole, or the starting point is the same for two directional reservoir. So we will drill a vertical section, then build an angle to reach to this target here and here, and doing another drilling operation to reach to another target through the second productive reservoir. The fifth application is offshore multi-well drilling, which means you have one offshore rig, but you have 3 or more different paths of well bores to reach to different locations of oil reservoirs. And finally, fault controlling applications. which means you drill a directional drilling well to avoid or by avoiding to path or drill through fault line to prevent a lot of problems like well bore instability, hole lost circulations, hydraulic communication between zones, for example, cross flow between pressure zones, and reduce contamination between formations. In our course, we use two references from SLB company, Introduction to Directional Drilling reference and Directional Drilling Training Manual reference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.